The shorter grass is. Oh God, yeah, don't go that way. They'll all end up bogged. That's when you just walk away and pretend you don't know them. Say, I rode here. Scoff up close. Oh, it's going to be wet there. Over here.
I'll tell you and take you on that side.
Yeah.
So I'll take you round the float.
Go for a little toe round the float.
Oh my God.
Embarrassed much, Victoria?
Just sad.
Look, your mum's giving the thumbs up.
Unless you want me to tell you next to that side.
And whose mum is that, Victoria? Toot the horns, everyone can see.
I'm the queen! Is this going on YouTube?
Yep.
Oh shit.
What about next to that truck? Hey honey, what about next to that truck? Yeah, well, Darren's going to have to go back and get the float. What about next to that truck and then we hook up the float and tow it over?